Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I moisturize my hair and also maintain the moisture for over a week, especially this harmattan season. So it's getting to 2 weeks since the last time I moisturized my hair, and after moisturizing, I left my hair in this chunky, ugly braid since then. But my hair still feels somewhat moisturized. My hair doesn't feel dry at this point. So today I'm going to walk you step by step on how I was able to moisturize my hair and just keep it moisturized for close to 2 weeks now. As you can see, my hair is still very much soft and moisturized, okay? But the goal here is to not let my hair dry out during the summertime season to avoid unnecessary breakage and all of that. Okay, once again, take a good look at how my sections still look very moisturized and juicy, even though I've not moisturized for over a week now. Anyways, let's quickly get into this video. So for hydration, I'm going to be using warm hibiscus tea, which I already brewed. Okay, some other days I like to use rose water or glycerin or aloe vera juice, whichever I have available. I just simply spray this on my hair. I decided to comb out my sections and just get rid of any shed hair I have in, and this is what my hair looks like after that. Okay, so let's proceed with the hydration. Hibiscus tea has a lot of benefits for your hair and scalp. It can stimulate hair growth, treat dandruff and other scalp issues. It conditions your hair, prevents hair breakage, strengthens your hair, and so on. And if you're like me that experiences a lot of hair shedding, then you definitely need to include hibiscus tea in your hair routine. Anyways, once I was done spraying the tea, I massaged it in before I went in with my leave-in conditioner, and I'm focusing the leave-in conditioner on the ends of my hair. Then I walk my hands upwards. I keep applying the leave-in conditioner to the length of my hair, and I'm making sure it gets to every strand of my hair. Okay, I'm massaging it properly and getting it in. Once I'm done with the leave-in conditioner application, I proceed to apply my Ayurvedic hair growth oil to my scalp and making sure I massage that into my scalp as well. I also love to apply a little bit of the oil to the ends of my hair, and this step is a game changer, as I've said before in my previous video. Try it out and you're going to experience less breakage. Okay, if you want to be extra, go in with your scalp massager and massage your hair thoroughly. And at this point, my hair already feels really soft and moisturized, but we're going to go in with this hair grease, black magic hair grease. Any other hair grease would do. Okay, and I'm going to collect a little bit and rub that onto my palms and apply it to my hair as well, focusing it on the ends of my hair. I take my time with massaging it into my hair, making sure every strand is well coated before I move on to apply my shea butter. I'm just using a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, I melted the shea butter on my palms and proceeded to start applying it to the length of my hair, focusing on the ends of my hair once more. Okay, I take my time to massage it in, making sure every strand is well coated. And this is what my hair looks like when I'm done. This is moisturized and unmoisturized section. Okay, this is what it looks like. Anyways, I'm going to quickly braid this section I already moisturized. And something to note is that the only product I applied to my scalp is the Ayurvedic hair growth oil. Every other product I applied was to the length of my hair, especially my ends. Okay, so please make sure you are not rubbing all of these products on your scalp. If not, it's going to lead to build up. Okay, once I'm done braiding, I like to apply extra leave-in conditioner and shea butter to the ends of my hair. And all of this TLC I'm doing for the ends of my hair because the ends of your hair are the oldest parts of your hair, so they are more prone to breakage and they are more fragile. Okay, also with my hair, I've noticed that the ends of my hair dry out the quickest. Okay, so that's why I am a little bit heavy handed on the products when it comes to the ends. Once I'm done moisturizing my entire hair, I'm going to show you a little trick
that will also help you retain this moisture. Okay, so make sure you stick to the end of this video. So once again, I'm applying a generous amount of leave-in conditioner to the ends of my hair, then I work my way upwards, okay, up to the roots of my hair. I try to get the leave-in conditioner very close to the roots of my hair while avoiding my scalp. And this is because conditioners and other hair products can clog your pores or hair follicles and just result to unnecessary build-up, okay? Also make sure you're working in sections so it is easier to get the product to each strand of your hair. And it is also important that you take your time with each step or product that you apply. Just take your time to massage it, okay, before you proceed to the next. Also make sure you're using original African shea butter like the one I'm using in this video. And one simple way to identify original African shea butter is the way it melts into my palms without any clumps or particles. If you melt your shea butter into your palms and you're getting clumps and particles that you find difficult to dissolve, then know that the shea butter is not okay for your hair. Anyways, I'm done with hydrating, moisturizing, and sealing in the moisture. And let's proceed to the next step, which is covering your hair with a shower cap and letting it sit for an hour or even sleeping with it overnight. Okay, this is going to make sure that the moisture penetrates your hair. If you want to go the extra mile and just make sure all the moisture is locked in and everything just penetrates your hair strand, get yourself a damp t-shirt, not a wet one, damp t-shirt, and wrap your hair with it. Okay, next you're going to cover your head with a heating cap or a hooded dryer and set it to the low heat setting for 15 to 20 minutes. And once you're done with this step, your hair is going to be so moisturized. Okay, you're welcome. Now that you've learned how to moisturize your hair properly, let's talk about some other tips that will help you retain the moisture and prevent your hair from drying out. The first tip is to make sure you wear your satin or silk bonnet to bed every night, okay? And if you're one of those people who don't like covering their hair or head, okay, you can get yourself a silk or satin scarf like this one and just wrap the pillow with it, okay, before you sleep. It's going to like really help you retain the moisture, right? Once you're able to make out time and moisturize your hair this way, your hair is definitely going to retain the moisture for over a week. Okay, just try to not stretch it too much, maybe over 2 weeks. Okay, that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.